As we head into the autumn, I like to prepare my skin for the winter with a change up in my skincare routine. So today I'm going to share with you a few of the products that I'll be using. We will be looking at Estée Lauder Advanced Night Repair, Gatineau Age Benefit Regenerating Cream, Liz Earle Sunscreen, pulling out the big guns again, Dermatica Tretinoin, and my Gatineau Smoothing Body Lotion with AHAs, and of course, never forgetting my hair. Back, I'm still using my Safi Amani. So stick around and let's dive deeper into all of these products. Hi, I'm Pam, and this is Glam Pam. Thank you for being here with me. Please leave a comment. Which is your favorite season of the year? The first product I'm going to share with you is Estée Lauder Advanced Night Repair. I'm sure a lot of us know this product. I particularly like it because it contains hyaluronic acid and peptides as well. And I pair it with my Gatineau moisturizer, and the two of them together work in conjunction to provide hydration and ceramides to support the skin barrier. So this is the first thing that I'll be adding. I'm focusing more on what I feel my skin needs now: hydration and repair support to support the skin barrier. I want to take my skin in its healthiest state heading into winter. I'm then going back to my prescription tretinoin. If you recall, I stopped this in the summer just to give my skin a break while we had the harsh UV rays of the summer. I felt as though I didn't want to be battling the sun and have such a harsh active as well on my skin at the same time. So I stopped the Dermatica for the summer, but as we go into autumn, I bring it back. I use tretinoin 0.05 with 15% azelaic acid and 5% tranexamic acid. And I really love this product. I really do. I've used it for many years, and it is just, as we all know, tretinoin is the scientifically proven product to slow down aging and in some cases reverse aging to an extent. But yes, that is definitely coming back. I then follow that up with Gatineau Age Benefit Regenerating Cream. Oh, you all know how I feel about Gatineau, but this product, it is rich. It contains ceramides. That is the texture of it. It's really rich. It sinks into the skin, and it is so... It does contain perfume, so if you are somebody that is sensitive or trying to avoid perfumes, I would stay away from it. But for somebody like me who loves the whole process of skincare and routines and things like that, this is just incredible. So as I was saying, this contains ceramides, and it supports the skin barrier because going into the winter, I don't want anything drying. So as I said, with the Estée Lauder, which contains hyaluronic acid, which will moisturize the skin and hydrate it, the ceramides will then hold that in and just basically protect the skin. And in the morning, I go in with sunscreen. Even though it's autumn and the sun's rays are not as strong, I still use my SPF 50. This is by Superfacialist. It contains vitamin C, brighten and defend, broad spectrum SPF. I love this. So these three are my whole basis of my skincare routine in the autumn. I want to hydrate. I want to protect with the barrier. I want to protect the barrier. And then in the morning, I want to protect my skin, protect all the hard work in the evening with sun protection. So that is the nighttime skincare. And in the autumn, I'm also going to change up my body wash. I'm using the Liz Earle. This one is Iris and Nutmeg. I love this because it has a light fragrance but a warming fragrance. I think that's the nutmeg. It's beautiful. It just gives me that calm, what can I say, a cocoon-like feeling. I love that in the autumn evening. It's darker, it's slower. I just want to slow down. I'm taking more baths rather than showers. So this is the perfect product for that. I follow that up with Gatineau Smoothing Body Lotion. This contains AHA. And you can see this bottle is massive. And this is not even the first one that I've gone through. I think this must be my third huge bottle like this. And I've had probably 4 of the smaller one, the 400 ml. This is a litre and it also comes in a 400 ml. So I've had about 4 of the 400 ml and 3 of these huge ones. I love this. It is so moisturizing. It's smoothing. It is the perfect body lotion. It sinks in quickly. It moisturizes your skin. It lasts. It's just gorgeous. Absolutely love that. And in the autumn time, I also don't want to forget my hair. As you know, that's always a concern. So I'm sticking with the Safi Amani Healthy Hair Buttercream. I mentioned this a few weeks ago and I'm still really liking this product. It is a butter. As you can see, it's quite thick. It looks like it's going to be heavy. That's what it looks like. But it does melt into an oil. You rub it together in your hands and then I just rub it down the strands of my hair. And yeah, I just find it so nourishing for the hair. And as we go into the colder months, I really want to protect my hair. So that is all that I'm doing. Covered everything, yeah. And I just want to know, let us know in the comments below, do you change your skincare routine for the different seasons, or do you stick to the same thing all the year round? Know in the comments below which is your favorite season. But in the meantime, I'd like to thank you for spending time with me. Please like, comment and subscribe, and I will see you in the next video. Bye bye.